A JavaScript object is a collection of related data and functionality. The data, known as properties, represent something the object has. These are stored as key value pairs. The functionality, known as methods, represents something the object can do. Methods are defined as functions within the object. Let's take a look at an example. To create an object, we simply declare a variable, we'll call ours dog, and assign it to an empty set of curly braces. And that's it. Now we have an empty object. If we log this dog object to the console, we see its prototype is an object. Like a real-life dog, our dog object will have some properties. To declare a property, we use a key value pair. We define a name for the property and then assign it a value. Let's start with a name. We type our key, name, a colon, and we'll name it Marty. To assign more properties, we use a comma to separate them. We can give it an age of 10, a breed of golden retriever, and a weight of 60 pounds. Now that we have our dog object with its properties, we may want to access those properties. There are two ways to do so: dot notation and bracket notation. Dot notation is the most common way. To access a property using dot notation, we simply use the object's name, a dot, and the key related to the property we want. If we log this, we see it gives us the dog's name. Bracket notation is less common but also useful. We start with the name of the object and place the property key in brackets, similar to accessing an array index. If we log this, we see it comes back with his age. If we wanted to modify a property of an object after creation, we can use dot notation to access the property and assign it to a new value. Here, we see we changed its age to 12. To add a new property, we use a new key and assign a value to it. Now if we call dog.gender, we see it logs male. To remove properties, we can use the delete operator, like so. Now, if we log the object, we see the weight property is no longer there. Methods are the things your object can do. To declare a method, we define a key or name for it and assign it to a function. Let's give our dog a bark method that logs woof. If we wanted to call this method, we do so like any other property using dot notation, but we include the parentheses to invoke the function, and we see it logs woof. And that's a wrap on JavaScript objects. They're used to group functionality and data together in a logical way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.